Your data merge is, like I said, you have to create two files: your InDesign file and your Excel spreadsheet, which we're going to save as a CSV or a text file. So I always like to, you can do either one first, it doesn't really matter. You can have somebody give you an Excel spreadsheet with millions and millions of names and millions of different content and data. It really doesn't matter which one you start with. You just have to make sure that everything is organized properly, duration, location, whatever you're going to input into the document, the InDesign document. There's different ways to format this. I'm not going to do an Excel lesson. If you need some practice or some help with Excel, there's lots of YouTube videos of how to format Excel. But like I said, I'm not going to show you how to do that, except that I'm going to tell you that you must make sure that it's going to be much, much easier if you make sure that the headers are all lowercase. And if you have a two-word header, separate them with an underscore. And then for the image header, we have to make sure that we use this @ symbol before this, the header name. Now the tricky thing with Excel is that whenever I write an @ symbol here, if I just write @, it's going to think that there's a function happening, and now says function is not valid. So whenever I do use an @ symbol in Excel, it thinks that there's going to be a function. It's a different kind of thing that we don't want to do. So to prevent that, or to prevent that from happening, I first have to type a parentheses, and then I can write the @ symbol, image, background, whatever it is, and see as soon as I press enter that apostrophe disappears. You can see it in the function, it's there, but it doesn't actually show up in my table, and that's exactly what I want. And now just be sure that whenever all of your images, all of your data, everything is in the same folder. That's the wrong one. But I just want you to make sure that everything that you're working with, your InDesign file, your CSV, everything, all of your image, everything is in the same folder. If anything is missing, anything is outside of that folder, it will not work. And if it will not work as well if any of these headers are not really proper. If one of them is not lowercase, if you don't have underscore separating words. So just make sure everything is all lowercase and everything, all the files are in the same folder. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up